Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for all the car enthusiasts out there. We've compiled a list of 10 genius car hacks that will make your life on the road so much easier. These hacks are simple, practical, and will save you time, money, and effort. So, without further ado, let's dive into these amazing car hacks. Hack 1. DIY Air Freshener. Who doesn't love a fresh-smelling car? Instead of buying expensive air fresheners, make your own with a simple hack. Take a clothespin, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and attach it to your car's air vents. Enjoy the delightful aroma every time you turn on the AC. Hack 2. Easy headlight restoration. Are your headlights looking dull and foggy? Don't worry, we have a quick fix for you. Grab some toothpaste and a soft cloth. Apply toothpaste to the headlights and scrub gently in circular motions. Rinse it off, and voila! Your headlights will look brand new. Hack 3. Homemade dashboard cleaner. Maintaining a clean dashboard is essential for a tidy car interior. Create your own dashboard cleaner by mixing equal parts of water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto a microfiber cloth and wipe your dashboard. It will remove dirt, dust, and leave a sparkling finish. Hack 4. DIY phone holder. Tired of your phone sliding around the car while driving? Here's a simple solution. Take a rubber band and loop it around your car's air vents. Now, slide your phone into the rubber band, and it will stay securely in place, allowing you to navigate hands-free. Hack 5. Quick de-icing solution. Winter mornings can be a hassle, especially when your windshield is covered in ice. Create your own de-icing spray by mixing 3 parts vinegar with 1 part water. Spray it onto your windshield, and watch the ice melt away effortlessly. Hack 6. Keychain locator. Ever find yourself struggling to locate your keys in a crowded bag? Attach a small, brightly colored carabiner or keychain to your keyring. This way, you can easily spot your keys and save precious time. Hack 7. Emergency kit essentials. Being prepared for emergencies is crucial. Create your own emergency kit by including essentials like a first aid kit, flashlight, jumper cables, and a portable phone charger. Store them in a compact container in your trunk, so you're always prepared for unexpected situations. Hack 8. DIY car organizer. Keep your car clutter-free with a simple DIY car organizer. Attach a shoe organizer with pockets to the back of your front seats. It's perfect for storing snacks, drinks, maps, and other small items, making them easily accessible during your journeys. Hack 9. Prevent door dings. Nobody likes door dings in crowded parking lots. Wrap a pool noodle around the edge of your car door to create a protective barrier. This will absorb the impact and prevent scratches and dents. Hack 10. Windshield wiper hack. Improve the performance of your windshield wipers by wiping them with rubbing alcohol. It will remove any residue or grime, making them glide smoothly across your windshield for better visibility during rainy days. conclusion. And there you have it, 10 genius car hacks that will revolutionize your driving experience. Try them out and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing car tips and tricks. Until next.